Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Solana. We're going to do a full short-term update here on Solana. What's going on in the on the 4-hour time frame. We'll zoom out a little bit as well. But what's going on? What to expect? Can we actually expect some sort of a bullish breakout? Yes or no? Because eventually, I mean, we are going to break out, as you can see right now. The price is finding fair value right here around 127, 128. So we're very much at the price right now where buyers and sellers agree that this is the fair price. But at some point of time, that's going to change, and it's a matter of time before that happens. So yeah, we'll talk about that. I'll give you my thoughts on what's most likely. I will, by the way, if some of you are interested in that, I will, by the way, make a long-term analysis and long-term strategy as well for Solana. I made one on XRP, I think 3 days ago, and that was, well, people enjoyed that very much. So in general, if you want to have some sort of a long-term strategy on where to buy Solana, what the different possibilities are if you zoom all the way out, then keep an eye on the channel. I'll probably make that within the next week. So you'll hear about that, but for now, let's talk about Solana, because on the higher time frames here, obviously we are still bearish, I would argue. I mean, on the 12-hour time frame, you can still see we're making lower lows, we're making lower highs. The EMAs are also still trending down and also still providing resistance, so that's a clear sign that on the higher time frames we are still in a downtrend. But then what I always say is that, well, if we are in a downtrend, then it's either you're shorting at strong resistance levels, or you're looking for a support level that's strong enough to actually provide enough resistance or support in this case against that downtrend. And I do think, at least for now, we have found that, all right? Because obviously we hit that major support level around 127. You can see that the main level is at 126.7. That was the previous value area low right here of the entire range of 2024. And so far, we've been able to hold the region around that area. On the 3-day time frame, you can also see we broke above that and we're respecting it. Those are some early positive signs, but we cannot be too excited yet, all right? Because, well, this is what it looks like if you zoom all the way out. Looks pretty good. We have found strong, we have respected the support right here. We've actually defended the support level with quite a lot of volume. The highest volume we've seen since 19th of January, when obviously the Trump meme coin launched. So back then the volume was very, very high. But on the lower time frames, look, yes, we've found support and we found some stability, and buyers and sellers, at least for now, agree that this is the fair price. But we haven't had a bullish confirmation yet. All right, right now, yes, we've broken above the value area high twice at 132, but twice those were fake outs, right? So we cannot really see anything from that, or at least we cannot really conclude anything from that. We need to get a strong breakout, a breakout that can actually hold. And ultimately, look, I'm leaning towards expecting a bullish breakout because of the strength of the sheer strength of the support level that we are at. But it's also possible that we get a bearish breakdown here. It all very much depends on the markets, because if you look at Solana right here, I mean, the momentum we have, the open interest, it dropped down a lot yesterday with the sell-off we had. So then we got rid of a lot of the leveraged long positions that we had opened earlier, which after getting rid of the short positions earlier on Wednesday, which you can see right here. But right now the open interest is increasing, so there's again a little bit more leverage coming into the price, but it's longs and shorts. Right at this moment, there's no specific directional momentum coming into Solana. Volume is down 36%. So we really have to wait for that confirmation. Like I said, on the higher time frames, we're in a downtrend, but short term, it looks like we're holding the support level. So therefore, I do think at some point of time, it's most likely we'll be able to get a bullish breakout and a move into 145, which is the main POC right here. So that is what I still do expect, but for now, I don't see that happening on the short term. The only way in which Solana, and I almost have to sneeze, but the only way in which Solana could get that breakout on the short term is if we get a breakout from Bitcoin as well. So keep an eye out for that. I'll keep you updated on that as well, but that's at least what you need to know regarding Solana for now. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.